Per day? Honestly? Yes. Pero sa totoo lang, ang question, balik natin sa tatay ko, kailangan pa ba niya ako? O kaya niya na yun? Piling ko kaya niya na eh. Well, basically, ako po, when growing up, tayo po lahat dito naranasan natin yung going to school, yung nanay natin gigising ng an hour or an hour and a half ahead sa atin to prepare yung kakainin natin, yung baon natin, telling us things over and over again kahit na narinig na natin siya, kumbaga parang yung ongoing recording na siya sa ulo natin. And basically, this film po, yung A Family of Two, made me realize while doing it. Sinabi mo ito dito, na parang tayo, habang lumalaki tayo, when we were young, we were not naman ashamed, but we were parang naiirita tayo sa nanay natin or kahit tatay natin minsan pag masyadong clingy. Yung makulit, pinapakita yung love kasi pagdating sa mother and son or mother and daughter, father-son, father-daughter. Sometimes kasi meron talaga tayong mga magulang na expressive in a way na body language. Yan, no? Na parang with kisses, with hugs, with words. Sige boss, pasok mo muna yung commercial.
Meron.
Yan po. So, yung maganda po kasi with this film, yung character ko po, si Mateo, parang growing up, as Richard Fulkerson Jr., as RJ, I was like that, na parang, huwag naman sa harap ng mga kaibigan ko, ma. Huwag naman sa harap ng mga kaklase ko, ma. Pero, parang, yun yung masakit na, when the time comes na, wala na. Diba? Parang, hinahanap mo na siya. So that's the message of the film that I was so struck by. Na tama eh. Take for granted natin yung pagmamahal na binibigay ng parents natin. And then, by the time na wala ng chance bumawi, take it from me, I lost my mom. Nung gusto ko nang bumawi, hindi na ako makabawi. So, with this film, I hope that everyone po na makakapanood nito is, we realize that our parents, our mom and dad, but for this film, our mom is, kumbaga, if everyone will leave us in this world, our mothers won't, our family won't. So, wag po nating i-encourage yung sistema na hindi tayo showy, hindi tayo masabi ng I love you. Kailan po tayo magsasabi ng mahal natin ng mga magulang natin pag wala na sila? So, let's not wait for that chance. Kaya yung may mga magulang pa po sa atin, you're very lucky to have a family and parents who are still alive. So make the most out of those moments. Kasi one day, it will all be too late. So wag nating hayaan. And yun, with this film, it will teach us na wag nating i-take for granted yung family moments. Kasi baka nakasanayan, baka masyado na tayong komportable sa family natin na hindi na natin binibigyan ng value yung pagsasama-sama. And also, to the parents po, the message po is this na parang as your children grow up, yun nga yung sinasabi din ng lola ko na kapag pinagpapaaral mo sa pinakamagandang school, kapag binibigay mo lahat ng kailangan for a better future, hindi lang nakikita ng magulang yun, pero you're shooting them far. You're shooting your kids far. Na, like what you said, ma, the two things that you can give to your kids is roots and wings. And by the time na lilipad na sila, let them fly. Diba? Let them fly and then don't think na may mga scenes kasi dito po sa pelikula na nakikita niyo po na walang si Mami Maricar sa harap ni Mateo, pero sa banyo dun siya mag-breakdown, pag mag-isa siya dun sa sa sobrang pagmamahal ng parents natin sa atin, willing nila tayong i-let go. But that is so difficult for the parents, especially the mother. Kasi like what you said also, nilabas mo yun eh. Your children came from you. So that's the hardest part, is saying goodbye. Not for good, but you know, anytime like making, you love your children so much that you want their dreams to come true. So yun lang po, ako, with everything that has happened in my life with my parents, nagsisisi talaga po, honestly. I wasn't able to give it back nung time na pwede na akong gumawa. So do not let that moment happen to your life. Say I love you, nakatin sila. Pagkatapos po ng press ko na to, baka pwede niyo pong i-text yung mga magulang niyo na sabihin niyo lang po na mahal na mahal ko sila. Kasi coming from my experience, I wasn't able to do that. So yun lang po, sana gano'n natin mabitbit tong story ng family of two. Birthday? Honestly, yes. Pero sa totoo lang ang question, balik natin sa tatay ko, kailangan pa ba niya ako? O kaya niya na yun? Piling ko kaya niya na eh. So, but, you know, parang ganun nga, parang my mom passed away April 8, 2008. So, it's like most likely mga 15 years ago. I think my dad deserves to live his life the way he wants it to. As long as hindi niya papabayaan kami mga anak niya, hindi niya papabayaan yung mga magulang niya, nabuhay pa rin ngayon, yung lolo at lola ko. Yes po, so I think the essence of family should be secured and defended all the time. So as long as he's able to do those things, I'm all for supporting him kung anong gusto niya mangyari. Pero di ko na kailangan mag-set up, kaya niya na yun. Ako siguro, hindi ako yung mag-a-advise sa character ko. Baka ako yung a-advise ni Mateo. Sa end ng sana growing up, hindi ako nahiya with the love that my mom was showcasing as I grow up. Nahihiya ako. Yung alam mo yung mga pakul tayo minsan, pag yung mga nanay natin, o parang nandiyan sa mga kaibigan, sa mga kaklase, sana mas ginaya ko siya. Para at least in a way, kasi ang nangyayari, pag kami lang ng nanay ko, dun ko lang napapakita. Pero pag sa labas na, hindi na, pakul na tayo pa. So, pero yun nga, parang I think that's one of the attributes ni Mateo na nagustuhan ko. Kaya lang, siguro ito, kung may i-advise ako sa kanya, huwag siyang torpe. Kasi torpe siya kay Zani, saka torpe rin siya kay Mami Maricar. So hindi pagsabi, ang dami niyang pasikot-sikot, na nagbibigay lang siya ng small hints. Na, well, I guess it's coming from sobrang mahal niya yung nanay niya. And tama, dalawa na lang sila. Pero I think, yun din yung isa sa mga natutunan ko as I grow older. May edad na po ako, 31, magka-32 na po ako next year. So parang isang sakita na, harapin nyo na. Huwag na natin siya i-keep ng matagal kasi sayang oras eh, you're only burdening yourself and you're whoever nasa other side of the coin. So, one big catharsis, one big time na lang, sabihin mo na, alis ka, o mapag-usapan natin, alis ako. Mami, job offer. Pero kasi it's part of the film kaya pero if I were to give an advice to my character, yun diretso na tayo para with anyone na kinakausap niya na don't waste time beating around the bush.
O yun, kasi life is short, diba?
Yes.
You don't know kahit ilan taon ka pa, kahit 20 plus ka lang, 30 plus ka lang, hindi mo alam kung bukas.
Exactly.
Wala na eh.
Yes.
O yung mahal mo sa buhay, o bata pa si mami, bata pa si daddy, hindi mo alam bukas pala. Kalaylay ng Diyos, di ba? May mangyayari pala, mawawala siya. So, parang make the most of today. Sabi nga ni Lord, do not worry about tomorrow. Siya may gansa. No, if I can take care of the birds and the ganyan, don't worry about it, di ba? I will take care of tomorrow.
May na-share nga akong quote dyan, man. Sa Kung Fu Panda yata.
Cute naman! May maraming wisdom sa
Yes,
Kung Fu Panda.
binigay nung parang pagong. Sabi, don't worry about the past. it already happened and it can be changed. Parang ganun yung context niya. Don't worry about the future because it's not for us to hold, but seize the present because it's a gift.
That's why it's called the present.
Yes, it's the gift. Kala niyo mapapaiyak niyo ako. Hindi niyo ako mapapaiyak. Joke lang. Hindi, pero hindi. I mean, tapos na ako kasi sa stage na yun of mourning for my mom. And one of the things I've been doing naman since I started show business is I know down to my heart it's for her. Because this is her vision, this is her dream for me. And I think talagang masasabi ko talaga if there's a chance that I can talk to her, Oma, I have fulfilled your dream for me. So I hope you're happy. And siguro ganun talaga, when you put others first before yourself, in everything that you do, everything will follow. Hindi mo kailangan effortan. You know you're a good person, you're dedicated to your work, you're committed to your work, you keep on improving yourself rather than comparing yourself to other people. So I think that's the benefit of having that mindset na you're only at competition with yourself, and at the end of the day, do it for the Lord, do it for your family, and do it for the people who matters to you. I think that's the definition of a successful person.